What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and we are here at the Galaxy Note 9 launch with all these people, and we're about to find out what some YouTubers think about this new phone. Let's get into it. What are you guys thinking about this stuff?
I like it.
You guys digging the pen remote?
Dude, the Galaxy Note 9 is cool.
I like it.
The biggest problem they always had was the S Plus models were like the same, but now there's actually
last time it was like it's a Galaxy S8 with a pen.
Right. Now there's a difference. Bigger battery storage, and you can take pictures with your S Pen.
That's pretty dope.
You can do different things with it when developers get their hands on it. So it could be cool.
Hot pink everywhere.
Hot pink all the things. Right?
Yep.
What do you think about the Note 9?
It's Super Note. That's all I can say.
Super Note?
Super Note.
What does that even mean?
It's
Super Note.
Super Note.
Super Note.
Yep.
I am excited to open it up. Got it right here.
Yes.
Test it out.
Yes.
Curious to see how this cooling system is going to work while you're gaming on the phone.
They made a big point to talk about gaming.
Yeah,
on
exactly.
This thing.
That's
like everybody's been doing gaming phones lately, like Razer and Asus.
Yeah, exactly.
But now Samsung's like, oh, we can do gaming.
Yeah, so we'll see if they can kind of stack up to the other gaming-specific phones. But yeah, excited to try it out.
Mr. Jaime Rivera.
Oh my God, Dom,
what
what's
did you think about everything here? What's your favorite thing?
They have to prove it, the battery life. For me, the Note was always about the battery life.
Yeah, they claimed a lot. 4,000 milliamp hours.
The thing about it is I've used the Galaxy S8 Active, the S7 Active. It's with the 4,000 milliamp hours is not new to Samsung.
It means nothing.
The question is, can they pull it off?
Yeah.
Because when you've got OnePlus 6s, when you've got Google Pixel 2 XLs, it's really hard to compete, man. So there's only one way to find out. What about you?
Nobody's asked me that, actually.
I am asking you now.
I really like the new S Pen stuff. I like that it's an open SDK.
Okay.
That means a lot to me. But I think the real innovation is going to come with the S10.
All right.
Look at this technique,
Mr.
Ray.
Joshua
Look at the way
Vergara
you're holding
here.
that. I love it.
Yeah, I'm a master of holding cylindrical objects.
I'm gonna say this on everyone's video.
Well, say something different on mine. Just kidding. Go ahead.
Well, it should have been a black phone with the yellow pen. I would have been all over that.
You know what it is?
I think it's pretty dope. I do think that the S Pen features are pretty fun. Like having a shutter button that's included with the phone.
Yes.
That's awesome. But otherwise, you know what? Everything else, not necessarily surprising, but that doesn't mean it's a bad thing.
No, not at all.
And I'm glad that they didn't try to make the phone any bigger because the Note 8 was already at the limits of what I feel like a phone should be.
The one thing that stood out to me more than anything as positive is that 4,000 milliamp hour battery. That's it. You want all day battery life. Everybody gets tired of plugging in their phone. All day battery life is it. Everything else, quite honestly, to me, it's just another Note.
Impromptu opinions on the new Galaxy Note 9.
I would say all around solid announcement. The Note 9 really just making those improvements that you needed. Bigger battery life, storage is going to be insane. Up to a terabyte. If you do the expandable storage, it's going to be sick.
I think that the S Pen stuff is pretty cool, but this is obviously it's more of an iterative release. Like it's not like the latest and greatest in all things, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, this is a good precursor to the 10. Whatever they do with the S10 and the Note 10 and all that stuff is going to be pretty sick. So, but that speaker and the watch are kind of two things I'm really interested in.
Yeah, fire.
All right.
Miss Tech Me Out here.
What's up?
What's going on? So tell me what you think of the phone, like everything that's going on here.
I like the upgrades. I like the S Pen, and I like the intelligent camera in the sense that it'll make sure that the correct photo is being taken if something's out of place. It'll let you know to go ahead and correct it before you snap it. Because we actually had something like that happen earlier when someone took a photo for us. So features like that, clutch.
Like your eye is closed.
Yes.
Retake the photo.
Right, exactly. Open them up.
Yeah. We're here with Mr. Marquez Brownlee. What's going on with the phone? What are you thinking?
Phone's pretty good. Phone's pretty great. I mean, there's not a lot of phones you can go down the list of all the specs.
It checks
8 gigs
a lot
of
of
RAM,
boxes.
half a terabyte, waterproof, headphone jack, all that.
Yeah.
It's hard to find another phone that checks all those boxes.
What's your top three? Is camera, battery life, and
Screen.
Yeah.
Screen.
There you
Best
go.
screen in any phone. Can't go wrong.
And a DeX built in.
DeX is improvement.
I like that it's built in and not another thing that I have to wait a year to buy.
Yeah, that was big.
Yeah, pretty cool. Mr. Sam Sheffer, Give me your thoughts about the Note 9.
I hope to get one. 4,000 milliamp hour battery and a headphone jack. And then they finally did the thing with the pen.
Yeah, that's cool.
They should have done that so many years
I think that's
ago,
awesome.
but they did it. Yeah. Do you have one yet?
I might have one in this bag right here. Possibly. I think I saw a familiar face. This guy was just on the channel, but what do you think about the Note 9?
I love the battery. I think the 4,000 milliamp is going to be probably
It's a big thing for a lot of people.
I think so, and I also like the more added functionality that you have for the S Pen.
That's cool too.
I mean, overall, I think it's more of a refinement.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Than something like huge, but I think it's like a welcome, upgrade.
I like it. I think it has an appropriately sized battery for Note. I love this blue, by the way.
I'm so jealous of you. I have the lilac
with the so much cool. I just like that pop-up color, right? That's kind of cool.
That's dope.
It is dope. Yeah, I think it's going to be a proper Note device. I'm excited to kind of play with it.
Proper Note.
Yeah.
I think it's good, man, actually. I think some people are going to be a little bit mixed about it. I think the price is going to scare some people, but I think that if you're a Samsung fan, this one's going to be the one, right? But at that price, the $1249 scares me.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot.
512, that's great. 8 gigs of RAM, that's great.
Dude, that's like a rent payment.
That is a mortgage payment.
Yeah, that is a mortgage payment.
That's a Tesla Model S.
I'm a big Note user. I've had Note since the first one. I love the big battery. I love the new S Pen features. I also like the fact that it looks like Samsung is trying to do things to incorporate a lot of features into this device.
Yeah.
Hopefully, look, if that battery lasts longer, I'm all good. And if I can do all that S Pen stuff, I would like to just walk in to a presentation from a company and be like, yo, check this out, drop my phone, point, and just leave.
Yep, bomb, just like
exactly, something like that.
So that's about it. That wraps up everything. We got everybody's opinion on the Galaxy Note 9, but I want to know what yours is. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also subscribe for my full review of the Galaxy Note 9 coming up in the near future. See, I didn't trust this guy. I knew he was doing something funny. It's all funny business with Danny Winja here. But thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.